Welcome back. Another just hammer out work video. Weird. Okay. But in this one, aux power switch panel installed. The reason I'm doing this one is because compared to something else, price, plain and simple, and what pretty much what I want to do with it, because there's a lot of multiple different functions on the car, and I don't have all that money to spend on something, no offense, that's the same thing, literally. I'm going with this, and it's pretty nice. Obviously you got your multiple different stickers right there. I already opened it up, started putting it in, but what is that? Master power cable, a nice big resettable circuit breaker. I didn't notice that before, but solid state relay, which is nice. What is that? I think this, I can't remember. What is this? Please use panel cover during rain. Oh, yeah. That, I think some tools, a bracket in there if you want to put it somewhere else that are kind of flush. Pretty much all the main like cables to do this with. Power cables, power ground for this guy directly, and then the cable that connects, I'll go in there and show you, but the cable connects to the switch panel itself, to that bad guy, which I believe to there, and then that other red one goes there. So basically that one goes there, yada yada. That's unnecessary to show you, and they put some zip ties in there, which is nice. But for trying not to make this too crazy long, unnecessary. Okay, there. Okay, and at the same time, first time I'm gonna try to go live on TikTok. So, you know, we'll see how that goes. But out of my way, box. Okay. So I guess this is the switch panel. I got the upper part bolted in, but I had to start taking this thing apart, and I'm probably gonna have to, what is that? I don't know what that is. Oh, never mind. It's these switches. So I'm gonna have to semi take this panel off, and I know it's just, it should be just, I have to find the back there, but just kind of what butterfly tab nut that I used. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, basically you put the stickers on whatever, and then that one end I showed you right there, you connect, and this is what I was using. That whole setup, you know, interior lights, hazards, horn, light bar for night stages, and heater switch, and it's like way down there, so it's, you gotta lean over with your belts, shoulder belts loosened, to press one of those buttons. So bringing it up there where originally I had those switches, but for whatever reason I moved them down there. because I thought it was going to be cute, but not great. Definitely a bad decision on that. Let me see. Oh, and just a quick little, I'll probably do another video on this, but I got a new intercom system from that, being a simple style one. This one, you can basically, I will hold that still, so to be honest, hopefully all you can read that and go back and look at it. But a quick little thing, it's got Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone to it. So while you know, you're transiting, you can contact your service crew or whatever's going on and update them if there's an issue, or just update them in general. This is touchscreen. It also has like a standard like radio connection that goes right to this, for even, you know, more reliable service connection, for communication. I mean, and it's got the typical, where are we? Oh, it's got like a pit, for pit setup. I don't know. That's for radio. And then it's got an RCA for like camera, for like connect for like connecting a camera, and then you can hear the audio from the intercom itself. So pretty cool. But besides that, what I'm gonna do is wow, way too long. I'm gonna get to work, set you guys up, and I really don't know how far I am. I'm not feeling this right now. It's in the morning, it's a little early, and I just kind of want to chill and then come back out and work. So we'll see, but here we go.